Welcome to the Vanilo installation guide. In this video, you'll see how to start a new project with Laravel and Vanilo. Create a new Laravel 10 or 11 project or open an existing one. Once it's ready, navigate to the projects directory and install the Vanilo package using the composer require vanilo/framework command. After the package installation, you have to publish the module loader configuration. Now open the project in your favorite IDE and edit the config concord.php file. Replace the existing code block with the one from the documentation. By running the PHP Artisan Concord modules-a command in your terminal, you can check the installed Concord modules. Now you need to create a database and configure the .env file. Vanilo supports MySQL, MariaDB, Postgres, and SQLite database engines. Afterwards, run the migrations. Vanilo contains about 80 migrations out of the box. Once the migrations ran successfully, it's recommended to seed the countries table by running the PHP Artisan db seed command. Thanks for watching the installation guide and happy coding.